Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable gesture navigation mode and how to use on Motorola phone. Friends, you want to use Motorola phone guys gesture settings, by how to use and enable gesture navigation, and by how to remove the three button navigation. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So when first of all open your phone setting guys, after on phone setting page you can see this type of interface. So when you will have to scroll here, so when we will scroll it, friends click on navigation bar setting. As you can see there are many settings. So friends we will click on gesture navigation, get this icon guys, click here. The actual gesture setting is enable after 3 and 4 seconds, and guys now we can use this gesture setting, and friends you can see how to use. Friends you can see, to go home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. So you can back right, and guys you can back left side. Friends you can this line guys, swipe here and you can close app. So friends you can use your gesture navigation on your Motorola phone. So friends, how to back and use. Friends, you are on Bluetooth setting. Friends, you want to back, you can back right side. Friends, you can back left side, you can close app. So like that we can use gesture setting on Motorola phone guys after enable. And once you don't want to use, so guys what you will have to do guys, click here guys, direct search here guys, navigation setting. Once you can see navigation bar, we will click here direct. Once you can see at your three button navigation. Once you don't want to use gesture setting guys, click on button navigation, and friends now you can use your three button navigation on your Motorola phone guys. So like that we can use this navigation setting on Motorola phone. So bye bye guys. Friends, do you have any doubt? Friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.